Hi class. In this section, our focus will be on solving quadratic equations by factoring. Before we start doing that, I want to talk about what a quadratic equation is, okay? So a quadratic equation is given by ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers. A can't be 0. If a were 0, then you wouldn't have the x squared term and we'd have a linear equation, so a can't be 0. And we refer to this form as the standard form of the equation. Okay, so in a lot of the factoring that we've done, many of the trinomials you've factored have been quadratic expressions. Okay, so I say expression because they haven't been set equal to anything until now. Okay, so that's the difference between solving an equation versus just simplifying an expression as we have been doing with the factoring until now. So let's get that difference really solidified. A quadratic equation has an equal sign, right? Any equation will have an equal sign, whereas a quadratic expression does not. Okay? Therefore, a quadratic equation can be solved for a variable. Right? You can get it down to x equals something. But a quadratic expression can only be simplified. All right. So for example, an example of a quadratic expression might be x squared plus 2x plus 1. That's an example of a quadratic expression. Now, if we took that quadratic expression and we set it equal to 0, now we have a quadratic equation. Now, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is factorable. And so in this section, we're going to discuss a technique for using our factoring techniques to help solve this equation for the variable. So that's where we're headed.